Hey everyone! Today we'll be diving into the world of effortless Windows desktop switching. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed with open windows or struggling to stay organized, you're in the right place. Stick around, because by the end of this tutorial, you'll be switching between desktops like a pro. Alright, let's get started. First things first, make sure you're running at least Windows 10, as this feature is optimized for that version and later. To initiate desktop switching, press the Windows key plus tab on your keyboard. This will open up Task View, a handy feature that lets you manage your open windows and desktops seamlessly. Now, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see an option that says Plus New Desktop. Click on that and voila! You've just created a new desktop. So, you've got multiple desktops open. How do you switch between them effortlessly? It's as simple as pressing Windows key plus, Ctrl plus, left arrow or right arrow. This will cycle through your desktop seamlessly. You can also open Task View, then hover the pointer on the desktop you want to switch to and click on it. And there you have it, folks. Effortless Windows desktop switching at your fingertips.